Hey guys, Czar here with you again. Hope all is well. It's 126 watching this price action here on the E-mini S&P right here. 30-minute chart closes in, or this candle I should say, closes in 3 minutes and 5 seconds. I'll be watching this into this fresh traffic zone. I'm going to ignore this little piece here because it happened when the market was closed last night. That alarm you just heard in the background, potentially through the microphone, was my 3-minute warning of a new candle forming. I have that going off every 30 minutes during the trading session to remind me that a new candle is opening, because 30-minute candles are important to me and my Razor's Edge model. NASDAQ has dropped hard, as you know. Well, you might know the video beside this one as a trade here, a nice 2-hour winner. It took almost 3 hours to play out. Entered over here, actually way back here. Yeah, here, and sat through this whole thing. Eventually got out right about here, and now looking for another opportunity. But this is a bit extended here on the NASDAQ, of course. And back to the ES. Be watching this. Of course, I'll be cutting out dead air here, guys. Sideways grinding action, non-teaching moments to keep this video nice and tight. This is the Dow coming up. There it is. Range bound still, right? This thing's been in a range, just grinding around all day here in the New York session. There's the opening candle, and this is the barcode with an interesting rising bottom end, but looks like it does want to begin to break down now. Be watching that as well. I'll put you on pause for now, bring you back as this thing materializes. All right, guys, 30 seconds left here in this 30-minute candle. Sell stop. Not live yet. I'll tell you when I go live. I do want to wait until this candle closes. 13 seconds left. Call it 10 seconds now. Watching. Stop above that piece right there. 2 seconds. Want to see a top wick on this candle. See that new candle there on the 30? All right, guys, sell stop live. And I'm in, guys. I just got triggered in right there. Feels a bit premature, doesn't it? But nevertheless, that's what happened. So the coin has been tossed. Immediately regretting it. That's part of human nature. This thing's feeling very weak. All right, so I'm going to put you on pause now. We'll come back and I'll put these markers in and we'll talk about this trade in more detail. Be right back. And target 1 has been hit. So the 1R all or nothing trader has left the game with full profitability. And the 2R move stop to break even at 1R has now moved their stop to break even because we hit 1R. So they will either get 2R or they'll get 0 and nothing in between. And now the 1.5 and 2R all or nothing traders are going to sit here and see if we can go even lower on this extended move. I don't know, we're asking quite a lot here to bring it all the way down to the support zone that was formed yesterday in one candle in the New York session. You see that there? So we'll see if we can get all the way down to there, and be waiting with bated breath here. But this is a profitable trade. The primary target of 1R has been hit. And I'll put you back on pause for now. And target 2 has been hit, guys. And so the 1.5R all or nothing trader has left the game here with full profitability as well. And it looks like we're going to head all the way down to the final target as well. Keeping my eyes open on that. Maybe we'll do that live here together. We'll see. This is a zone break, guys. Zone break trade and trend continuation. It's both, right? Trend continuation. See that trend? Sideways pullback. Not really a pullback even. It's kind of a cascade. And then so what this is a congestion period or a consolidation phase. And well, I'll take that in a dropping market when it's dropping hard like this, and a very definite change of character after the twilight zone. This all began this year. All began after the twilight zone, after the lunch hour, when fresh volume comes back in. We see that on pretty much on a daily basis, and why I trade those hours, right? That's why I come back in and do my thing at that time. And zone break, of course, break and close. A little bit of a top wick, right? Not very much. And then a break down below. And that's my typical entry on a zone break. Normally I ask for much more of an upper wick, so much more of a pullback. I did on this one because this is clearly in free fall, and it just felt like the right thing to do. And some of that comes with years of experience too, of course. Watching this now live with you. One more push. Can we do it? Yes, we can. There it is, guys. That was a fairly quick trade, and nice to see for a change. I'm going to put this here, mark this with you. All 4 models at full profitability on this one. Thank you for being with me today, guys. I don't know if I'll have a second trade here, or a third trade. This is my second one already. Thanks again, guys. Appreciate you. Thanks for saying hi in the comments and for clicking that like button. I really do appreciate you. Take care now.